I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the interaction menu right away. That gives you direct control. Once the menu is open, navigate to Media Player and enable it so the game recognizes input sources. Make sure you've connected a USB drive or chosen an in-game playlist, because Media Player reads files or playlists from those sources. This step stops wasted searching later, and it prepares everything so the next actions, loading and playback, happen without interrupt. Now you load tracks and set the playback order. Use the Media Player browser to pick USB, phone, or the game folder, then highlight files and add them to the queue. This is where you control flow, so order matters. Adjust volume and crossfade settings so transitions sound smooth in-game, and use repeat or shuffle if you want continuous background music. Doing this here avoids stopping gameplay to reconfigure audio later, and it keeps your session immersive while you continue playing. Start playback and confirm the sound is routed to the game audio device. If you hear it, you're done. Use the interaction menu or your mapped hotkeys to pause, skip, or rearrange tracks on the fly. This keeps control at your fingertips while you play. If playback fails, first check that files are supported MP3 or AAC typically, then restart the media player and replug the USB or phone. That simple reset resolves most issues without losing your queue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.